Sort your stickers with a single click. Let's come back to Canva homepage, and now we can choose whiteboard, click whiteboard, and click create blank. We know that we can find stickers in the left side menu and elements. Here we see a lot of stickers. And now we can select all and we can click sort. And here we'll see that we can sort by topic, by color, and by name. Let's click by color. And here you go. Great, right? And if you like the magical possibilities of Canvas, I invite you to my latest course. You can find the link in the description. And in the course, you will learn a lot of magical possibilities and tricks. And you can do all this with both Canva Free and Canva Pro. See you!